While all is quiet up here, a deadly multi-day weather event has been slamming parts of the Midwest and South this week. And as Morgan Norwood reports, it's likely to continue this weekend.
In Selmer, Tennessee, a powerful EF3 tornado with winds up to 160 miles per hour, leaving behind a path of destruction. Homes reduced to piles of rubble, massive trees snapped like twigs. Further east in Columbia, Brandy Stewart capturing this video as a funnel cloud formed.
Oh my God, it is freaking huge.
And a similar story in Spring Hill. This time-lapse video showing strong storm clouds moving in. Roads in Nashville looking more like rivers. Business and homes in the area left flooded. Crews working to rescue anyone trapped by the floodwaters.
This is a multi-day severe storm that has already produced tornadoes, heavy rains, flooding across the state, hail.
In Kentucky, residents just starting to clean up the mess left behind after the strong storms moved through the Louisville area. Officials say a young boy died after he was swept away by floodwaters while walking to his school bus stop. In Arkansas, the scope of destruction visible from above after an EF3 tornado with winds up to 150 miles per hour tore through Lake City. Friends Connor and Hunter lucky to be alive after their truck got stuck as the twister hit.
The only thing I could do is just hold on to the pole and pray for the best.
I got up one time trying to run, and I couldn't. It almost sucked me up.
This dangerous weather is forecast to continue through the weekend.
Saturday is the day that concerns me the most right now because we have time for our atmosphere to recharge, which means we have the potential for dangerous severe thunderstorms once again. Our ground is saturated. Any rain that falls is going to run off and it's going to cause flooding.
Morgan Norwood, ABC News, Little Rock, Arkansas.